All right. So before we get to the next, which is the last stage of the test drive, we need to connect our LinkedIn Chrome extension. The LinkedIn Chrome extension is a way for you to connect to LinkedIn, connect the platform to your LinkedIn, and specifically your account to your LinkedIn, and have prospecting done for you. So it's going to help find your ICP, do search for your ICP, create connection requests for folks that are not already connections, but also do that in a way that even the connection message is personalized. Then it also does basically watching for acceptance, and then it does nurturing. So it has a sequence of messages all set up for you that is going to dynamically set up, by the way, that is going to reach out to your customers and trying to nurture them to your call to action, right? So that's the other thing we do as well. We have to build the tool so that it works with the system, but also, like, LinkedIn has a very heavy rate limiting and throttling and bot detection, ecosystem and infrastructure that we needed to be extremely precise to make sure accounts are safe. We're respecting LinkedIn's rate limiting rules, privacy, data scraping, all of that stuff is respected with the plugin, right? So I'm going to go ahead and try to install the plugin. And there's a couple of ways to install the plugin, right? So one way is to come, you get to see on the dashboard, it's actually going to indicate that you can install it here, and then you just click here to set it up. The other way is to go into integrations, and you see all the tools, some of the tools that are connected, some of that are not. You see all of them here. And then the other way is the actual AI agents. The actual AI agents will reach out to you when they need a tool to be connected. Like now, you're going to see that Toby is saying, "Hey, my LinkedIn extension is not connected." You want to resolve? You click resolve, and it takes you to a chat with Toby, and Toby actually teaches you and shows you how to resolve it. So many ways you can get to the same thing. The whole point is to make your life easier. By the way, all these things can be done by your human in the loop, right? So we kind of try to give a zero touch end-to-end provisioning for you, so that even things like this, your human in the loop can help you fix it. All right, so I'm going to install it now. The really smart way to install this is to create a new Chrome profile, and the reason why that's important is because it's an RPA solution. So I don't know if you know about robotic process automation. It's actually going to take over your browser and try to do these things. That's the only way we can interact with LinkedIn in a safe way, right? In a way that doesn't affect your account or does not necessarily break their rules. It's literally operating on your behalf, right? And the way to do it in a way that it doesn't disrupt your normal and regular use of either LinkedIn or your browser is to create a new Chrome profile. So we're going to walk through you on how to do that right now. So if you go to your Chrome and you go to your top right, you're going to see you're probably logged into one of your Gmail addresses. Just click on it and scroll all the way down. Then you're going to see add Chrome profile. So you click on add. Next thing is going to ask you to set up your Chrome profile. I'm guessing your work email is most likely a non-Gmail. And even if it was, you can always have the option to just continue without an account, right? So that way you can actually create a profile. Now give your profile a name. I'm just going to say Autonoms OS Autonoms, right? Autonoms OS Autonoms, which is the OS for the Autonoms account. Then you can do that. So once you do that, next is you can come in and essentially install your Chrome browser, your Chrome in this browser. And the way to do that would be to come to first download the extension, right? So once you download the extension and you add the extension to your Chrome, I'm gonna try to see if I can add it to the new Chrome tab that I just created, which is not this one. Give me a second. I think it's going to be one of these guys here, but in setup, I'm not sure. It's maybe this guy. No, it's not this guy. Oh man, I think I lost that tab. I literally had. Oh, okay. So we can get it. Autonoms or it's autonoms. There you go. So it's right here. So I think I can go and look for extensions. Right here, extensions, manage extensions. And then I think I'm not seeing it here. Extensions. I think you should have a way for you to add extensions, which is good. Anyway, I'm just going to visit Chrome Store here. I'm just going to start Autonoms so that Autonoms by Lobby AI. I'm going to add to this profile. So hopefully, yeah, now I have it in this profile. So one way is to search for it. The other way is to add it. So I'm going to I'm going to see if I open. Okay. Anyway, so now I'm hoping that I am doing the right thing. Okay. Anyway, the idea is, you want to be able to create your Chrome extension in a new Chrome profile. That's the best way to do it, just so that it doesn't interfere with your everyday work. All right.